Hey guys, it's me TechMachine. In the previous videos I have shown you how to use Microsoft Excel for the first time. How can we write text in bold, italics, how to put underline, double underline, how to use formulas, how can we make our worksheet attractive. So in this video I am going to show you how to make a marks card. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So first I will open Microsoft Excel that I have shown you in the previous video how to open Microsoft Excel. So first we will go to Windows panel and go to all apps and go to Microsoft Office, and here it is Microsoft Excel. So we will open it, and first we will write the marks card of class. We will write the marks card of class 8. So you can see that it's taking the space of 3 cells. That is not good. So what we will do, we will simply merge these cells. We will merge these 3 cells and we will make these 3 cells 1 cell. So if you do not know what is merge, please write a comment. So we will change the color of this text and increase its size.
You and me is thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead.
So you can
crazy, don't mind me, say boy, let's not talk too much. Back on my waist and
so you can see that it's written here marks card of class 8. If you will see a marks card, you first see that there is a roll number written of the student, that is roll number, and there is the name of the student, and there is these 4 or 5 subjects, that is English, there is English, there will be maths, there will be science, there will be SST, social science, and there is also the max marks. There is marks obtained. Marks obtained, there is average. So first we will write the roll number of the students, and we will write the name of the students. We will write random names like Joe, Jim, John, Peter, and there is Tim. So first subject is English, and we will give them random marks. Science, and we will give them marks. SST. So max marks. So max marks will be 400, and I have shown you how to use. And if you have to write something continuously, we will simply take the mouse pointer to this corner cell, to the corner of the cell and drag it, and here it is the 400. And what are the marks? I have shown you in the previous video how you can do sum of 4 or 5 numbers. I have also shown you how to, if you have to write something and you are using formulas, you can simply take the mouse pointer to this point to the corner of the cell and drag it, and the computer will automatically sum these for the remaining students. And then we have to get the average of these students. So we will write, I have already shown how to get the average, so we will do this like that I have shown you in the previous video. Then I will show you that you have to do the same procedure here. You have to take the mouse pointer to this point and drag it, and the computer will do auto sum of these students, will do and get the average of these students automatically. So it's the marks card, and we will add borders to this marks card, and we will write subject here. This border makes our worksheet attractive. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel TechMachine, and do not forget to press the bell icon and give me a like. If you do not know what is merge or what are borders, how to add borders, how to do merge, what is merge, so please write a comment. So thank you.